AliDropship Premium for Dropshipping Review. Watch before using. AliDropship Premium stores are fully built, ready-to-run dropshipping stores designed for entrepreneurs who want to skip the hassle of creating a store from scratch. These stores come preloaded with winning products, optimized descriptions, and a professional design, allowing you to start selling immediately. AliDropship specifically tailors these stores for those who want a hands-off approach to launching a dropshipping business while still maintaining full ownership and control. Unlike standard AliDropship plugins, premium stores are replicas of successful online businesses, meaning you get a store based on proven sales data. Key features. First, you get a fully functional e-commerce website, professionally designed with a niche-specific product catalog. These products aren't random. They are hand-picked from stores already generating revenue. The store also includes compelling product descriptions, high-quality images, and pricing strategies optimized for profitability. Second, AliDropship Premium stores come with automated order fulfillment, thanks to AliDropship's direct integration with AliExpress. This means when a customer places an order, you can fulfill it in just a few clicks. Additionally, you get access to supplier information to ensure product reliability. Marketing is another strong point. Each store includes a ready-made ad package with banners, videos, and targeting recommendations based on past campaigns. This saves time and money when running ads, as you can replicate tested strategies instead of guessing. Plus, AliDropship provides optional add-ons like SEO optimization, social media promotion, and email marketing tools to scale your business. Who is it for? AliDropship Premium stores are ideal for beginners who want a fast-track entry into dropshipping without testing products or designing a website. It's also great for experienced dropshippers looking to expand into new niches without the usual trial-and-error phase. If you don't want to deal with the technical setup, sourcing, or marketing strategy from scratch, this is a solid option. However, it's not for those who want full customization from day one, as the structure is pre-built. Final verdict. AliDropship Premium stores offer a convenient, time-saving way to start dropshipping with proven products and a professionally built store. The automation tools and marketing assets reduce the workload significantly, making it a great choice for those who prefer a done-for-you approach. However, success still depends on running ads, optimizing marketing, and handling customer service effectively. If you're looking for a shortcut to launching a dropshipping business with minimal setup, this is one of the best options available.